Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for those of you who are new, and if you aren't new, what's up and welcome. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, I am reviewing this wig that is placed on my head now that you see here. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this wig installed and put on and all that good stuff, continue to watch. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished product of the unit. I did put it up in a half up, half down do, so it is in a high-low ponytail. I'll give you a close-up right now.
Resources to disable the car's GPS system. What are you doing here?
Any reason now? I paid for this house.
Why were you at Hunter's school yesterday?
Told you.
Of course he told me.
I just wanted to see him.
You know what the court said?
Supervised visitation.
So yes, that is my close-up. I did pluck the unit, as you could tell from the other clip, because it did come pre-plucked. However, I wanted to pluck it a little bit more, which I kind of feel like after doing it, I probably would pluck it just a little bit more. I did go in and bleach the knots. I did not record that part. However, if you guys are interested in seeing me bleach knots on units, let me know, because I can upload a video on that. So in today's unit, this wig is from Persephone. I did get the unit from Persephone on Amazon. They did send me this unit for review purposes, so I do want to say thank you to them for sending me this unit, because I'm really enjoying it and I really love the versatility in it, that the different styles that you could do, because of course you can wear it down, you can wear it in the middle part, you can wear it in the side part, and you can obviously wear it up and down. The unit is 18 inches long. So this is the length on it with it being curled. However, it can be straightened as well. I did like blow dry it out and then add my own curls to it. So that's the finishing product. However, naturally, this is, let me make sure the type of curl pattern it is. I want to say, okay, so this is a body wave unit, and I am going to show you what it looks like before. Of course, I added all the heat to it of straightening it and curling it. So the title of this, if you do decide to search it online, it has a very long title. It's Persephone Cheap Lace Front Human Hair Wigs with Baby Hair Body Wave, a Brazilian Virgin Human Hair Lace Front Wig for African American women, density. So it is 130% density, so it isn't super duper thick, but it's thick enough. I feel like it's, you don't want it to OD it, so this is a nice density to it. I do feel like it could probably be just a little bit more thicker, but I mean, if you want something higher, you can of course search for that. Interested in the wig, the information will be below in the description box. I do want to say one con that I'm going to point out about it is it's shedding quite a bit. I have reviewed Persephone wigs on my website, on my YouTube channel before, and that one did not shed like this one is. I've been combing through it, and to let you know also, guys, I've had this on for 2 days now, so I'm getting like the real wear and tear out of it, if that's the way to describe it. I'm getting the real vibes out of this wig, so it is a bit shady, but I mean, it's not too OD with it. The curls aren't holding as well as I want, but that's probably my fault because I probably could put something in it to help the curls hold a little bit more. Also, you just have to put in a lot of work to get the lace as natural as you want it to look. So pre-plucking, you kind of got to go in with it to make it look as natural as possible. Overall, I do think you should try out the wig because it isn't super duper expensive. This is 18 inches and it cost, for 18 inches, it's under $100. It's $94.96. And on top of that, y'all, you know, in this type of unit, human hair, you can do whatever to it. You can bleach it, you can color it. I wouldn't say go like super duper 613 on it, but you can bleach it. So yeah, I definitely think it's worth it because it's not super duper expensive when we have wigs out there that are like super duper expensive. So I think it's worth the money. But that's all I have to say about the wig, you guys. If you have any questions, like I said, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.